Hello everyone, welcome to 11th Journey. Today I am going to do the next experiment from my science kit. Today we are going to do green color experiment. First, fill 2 beakers with water. Next, add 1 drop of blue color in 1 beaker and stir it well. Then add 4 drops of yellow color in the other beaker and mix well. Finally, pour the waters from the both beakers to the conical flask. You see that the water in the conical flask has turned green. Science behind this. There are 3 primary colors, red, blue and yellow. When they combine with each other, they form a secondary color. Blue and yellow are primary colors. When primary colors combine with each other, they form a secondary color which is green. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.